Hello students, welcome back to e-learning edu. So in today's class, we'll be studying mainly on the ONAM exam portion or the important portions to be covered for ONAM exam. So first of all, let us discuss on the significant figures. So we need to know what is meant by significant figures, right? So here, when we measure something, there will be uncertainty cost, right? So this uncertainty can be expressed in terms of the significant figures. So there are various rules to write these significant figures. Let us learn it one by one. So the first rule is that all non-zero digits are significant. So what is meant by that? For example, all the non-zero digits are significant in the sense, for example, see here 235. In the case of this 235, how many number it has? Here all these numbers are non-zero numbers, right? So here when we count, see 1 2 3. So here there are totally three numbers, right? So here totally three number is there. So the total number of significant figure over here is 3. 0.823. So here you can see the non-zero number, right? Non-zero number 823. So here there are three non-zero number, and before the decimal there is a 0, and we won't be counting this 0. So we'll be just counting 823. So the how many significant figures are here? Yeah, so here totally three significant figures are there. And again one more example, 0.82. So the non-zero numbers are 8 and 2. So totally there is two significant figures, right? And again an example, 2 3 5 4. So here how many significant figures are there? 1 2 3 4. So totally four significant figures are there, right? So this is a way to count the number of significant figures. So all the non-zero numbers we are counting are, or we are taking these non-zero digits as the significant figure. And next, zeros is which is present in between the non-zero digits are significant. For example, 2.0005, right? So here 2, one significant figure, 2 3 4. Here we will be counting the 0. Why? Because this 0 is present in between the non-zero digits, right? So when we write the 0 in between this non-zero digit, we'll be just counting the number. So here the total number of significant figure is 4 significant figure. And again I will give you one more example, 1.032. So here how many significant figures are there? 1 2 3 4. So totally 4 significant figures are there. And again 3.024. Here also 1 2 3 4. 4 significant figure. Next 32.045. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 significant figure. So you can practice more and more questions, so it will be easy for you. And again the third point is that zeros to the right of decimal at the end are significant. So here zeros at the end of decimal in the sense, so here you can see the decimal over here, right? This is the decimal over here. So the zeros which is to the right of the decimal, so here this is to the right of the decimal and after the non-zero digit, right? So these zeros we are taking it as a significant figure. So here how many significant figure? 1 2 3. And we won't be counting this 0. Why? Because it is present before the decimal, right? So the first under the first rule you have studied the same thing. So here this 0, since it is present before the decimal, we are taking it as the non-significant figures. So totally here there are three significant figure. Next 0.3450. So here 1 2 3 4. So 4 significant figures are there. And next point is that counting numbers have infinite. Counting numbers in the sense, when we write it as just 3 means it will be having infinite number of significant figure. Then 2, infinite number of significant figure. 4, all these numbers will be having infinite number of significant figure. And next, these are the rules. You can point out all these points. Okay, so again these are the rules for the significant figures. And next, these are the rules when these numbers are not significant. So you can write it separately, which will be easy for you. So the first point is that zeros preceding non-zero digits indicate position of decimal. So here zeros preceding non-zero digit in the sense, see here you can see the non-zero digits here in this 0.0043, right? So here in this you have 4 and 3 as the non-zero number. So these zeros which is present in or before these non-zero digits are not significant. So here only two significant figure is there. Here these zeros are present before the non-zero digit, right? So we won't count these zeros because it does not have any value. So already you know this thing. So here it is having three significant figure, again 0.00456, right? So here also how many significant figure is there? 1 2 3, three significant figure, again 0.000001. So here only one significant figure is there. And next point is that terminal zeros without decimal. So terminal zeros without decimal. So here the terminal zeros in the sense 100. 100 means here there is only one significant figure, and we won't be considering this zero as the significant figure because it is present just after the non-zero number, right? So here total number of significant figure is 100. 0.1 means here this zero is present in between the decimal, right? In between the decimal, that is in between the decimal, or it is present before the decimal and in between the non-zero digit. So here the total number of significant figure is 1 2 3 4, four significant figure. So practice more and more questions, it will be useful for you. And for your exam it will be asking like to find the number of significant figure, which is very important. So you have to study the various rules to write these significant figures. So study separately the rules for significant figures as well as the rules for not significant figures. So that's all for today's video. So I hope you are clear with this concept. So if you have any doubt you can just comment, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.